In this video, we are going to see how we can install the free trial of Zoho Books so that you can practice and follow along through the future projects that we are going to see on Zoho Books. So first of all, just go to your favorite browser and just write on Google search Zoho Books trial free or free trial, and you will get this official website where you can activate the free trial for 14 days to practice along. So just click here. And the sign-up process is very simple. You can either fill in all of these details to create your account, or you can simply sign up using a Google account or LinkedIn or Facebook, whatever. So I prefer this one because it is more quick and easy to follow. Just click here. I'll choose the relevant email account. Continue. And it will ask you for the first name and last name. It will automatically pick up from your Gmail information. I agree to the terms and conditions and click on create account. It will take some time to process. Then it will ask you for the organization name. So we will fill in these details of Elite Traders project that we will follow in the future videos. So this is the company which deals in the car parts. They buy and sell the car parts. It's a trading business. So let's write Elite Traders here. Organization, location, you can mention any location. I'll just mention here USA, or just like United States. Okay, it's USA. Let's get started. And it will ask you for further information what kind of industry it is. So I'll just mention here automotive. State, you can mention any state here. Since it is a compulsory field, we need to mention any state here. Let's say New York. You can mention the currency. You can change the currency from here. Choose the language. You can choose the time zone. Is this business liable to collect sales tax? Right now, in this particular assignment, there is no sales tax. So we will continue with no, but in future, we will see this scenario as well. So current accounting software, let's say that you are shifting from one accounting software to Zoho Books, or maybe you are working manually for this particular company and now the business is expanded and you plan to implement a software. So it's asking you the same question. Maybe you're shifting from QuickBooks Desktop, QuickBooks Online, Xero, or others. Let me mention others here and click on Get Started. So it says welcome aboard. And if you want the Zoho Books to show you around different functions, you can ask them. Otherwise, just click here. No thanks, I'll explore it, since we will learn everything from scratch. And now your premium trial plan is activated for 14 days that you can fully practice on. There are all modules on the left hand side that we are going to explore, and also we have the quick create option where we can quickly add different things. So this is how you can not only activate the software, but you can create a brand new company in Zoho Books. Just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.